Whoa! I think yeah, there are two. There are two. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life at Sea, season number 4. I am presently on the bridge and we are in Tanjung Pelipas, Malaysia, going to the next destination, which is a 23-day voyage, around 8,000 nautical miles, which I'll show you, of course. For now, I've got to start preparing my route, and the weather services have sent me a mail that the route which we are taking right now can be amended, so I'm going to do that. Departure. I have started my departure checklist, so everything is going on. Cargo is almost complete. It is 12:10 a.m. so time to go to Africa once again. Anand, are you ready for a long voyage?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know means what?
I don't know if it's a good or good thing or bad
It's a
thing.
good thing, man.
Okay. For you, maybe.
Yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the next day in the Straits of Malacca. Going to be entering the 1 Fathom Bank over here very soon. Not much of traffic, which is very good news. The conditions outside are nice and stable. I did not sleep much last night because of the heavy jobs in the port stay yesterday. So feeling a bit fatigued. But anyway, I'm happy that for the next 23 days there will be rest. So guys, let's check out the route overview. We are right now somewhere north of Indonesia, and this is going to be our route for the next 23 days, going all the way to Timah. Now what I'm doing is I'm also designing the retard, because we have to retard like 8 hours. So just fixing according to that. So every 15 degrees of the longitude, the time zone changes. So yeah, trying to calculate this. We are also doing a small deballast operation. So I'm just closing the valves now, so we can give commands from here. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Never seen that. Oh, it's coming again. Oh, it's there, Anand. Wow. Fuck.
That's first time.
think, yeah, there are two. There are two. Very big, man.
Yeah.
Very
It
big.
doesn't feel from like. from
Yes,
here, but
yes.
It is big.
Anand,
Yeah.
how was it?
Wow, that's first time for me.
First time
Yeah.
a whale jumping so high, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, still it's spraying, huh? Wow.
There's two of them actually.
Two of them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful day also, Anand.
Beautiful day.
Come, let's get back. Let's get back to watch. So as you all see right now, we are at this particular position. Took the turn from Indonesia. The weather condition, I will just spot the weather. So you will see exactly what's happening. I click here and we will spot the weather. So waves 2.7 meters, sea 1.2 meters, swell 2.4. So that's pretty good. We are not in a very bad area. Also, you see the weather, rain shower. So I'll press precipitation over here so you will see better how the precipitation chart looks. Oh yeah, you see green, dark green. This is all rain covered area. Blue is when it's getting clearer. So we are expecting rain all along our passage. So yeah, we'll have to do the work accordingly. Anyway, so yeah, long way to go. So the vessel has also started pitching. I'll try to show you in the camera. That's because we are getting wind from the port shoulder, somewhere from that side, and the swell as well. The wave and swell has increased. I came out to check all my LSAs. Okay, this is the aft station right now, and I will use the 360 to show you all how the waves are looking. So yes, oh, what a view. Siddesh today is testing the fire alarm systems, huh? Siddesh?
Yes.
So he's going to activate this and then the alarm will sound over here. What he has done is that he has put into test mode so that you see the test light is on so that the alarm does not go over the entire bridge. What is this deodorant?
This is not deodorant. This is our smoke detector tester.
How you use it over here?
Yes, just spray over it.
We can do it now. It will get red light, huh?
Yes.
So there is the alarm. Okay, Siddhi, tonight is party night, huh?
Yes. We
Barbecue.
will have a barbecue today.
Let's
go.
see you there, huh?
See you there.
मिंटू ये क्या है? गुलाब जामुन.
Bon appetit. Amen. I don't know.
Yeah, play.
So we had this barbecue today in the celebration of completing the Chinese coastal, passing the bad weather, and all happy faces because some of them are going home. And yeah, it was really nice, refreshing with a good temperature outside. And now I ate so much, I need to just crash. So I'll see you later. Guys, believe me, ate too much and I was like not able to get up from the bed. But then I realized that if I don't do my exercise now, then I will feel very, very pathetic in the whole watch and tomorrow also. Sometimes you have to conquer this, and in fact, all the time you have to conquer this. Sometimes it's more hard. Whew. Anyway, I will start working out. I've not even started, and that is why you should eat in normal quantity. Anyway, that's the lesson. Have a look at these two gentlemen over here. Huh? The cadets on Sunday are doing what?
TRB training book.
TRB training.
Assignment.
They are trying to copy this steering gear block diagram. Huh?
Yeah, but this is not block diagram.
It's not block diagram. Where we can find it?
Sketch.
It's a sketch. So there is something known as tracing paper. It's a secret. Huh?
Yeah, we'll try to find some
Yes.
paper, yes.
Also, I gave them a task to prepare for safety day. Huh? So they are running around now to find that on Sunday. Huh?
Yeah.
But just one Sunday, guys.
No,
Only
it's okay.
It's okay.
This we came here to work, so.
Oh, Anand. See, that's the spirit, huh?
That's fine.
Very good, very good. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy the Sunday.
Thank you.
Okay. So, got a new haircut done from Siddesh, my personal barber, and I am his personal barber. I think you have seen the video before. And today we are facing some heavy rain showers, as you see that cloud hovering around. And we are just close to an island which is prohibited to enter. It is called the Diego Garcia. I'll just show you on the map. So this is the Indian Ocean we are in. This is that Diego Garcia island. So supposed to be I guess a naval base, and I don't know, you can Google more about it. I'll put the name in somewhere here so you can Google it. So yeah, we have to pass away from it, and the weather has also started becoming a bit better. I mean, a bit cold. I'll show that to you. We are halfway into the Indian Ocean journey, and this is the Diego Garcia Island, which I was showing you on the egg disc. Still a lot of distance to cover. We have to go all the way there without any break. Weather is also looking good. Let me simulate it for you all. So just follow this red mark, this red circle. So you'll understand if there is heavy weather in our way. Rain gods and storm gods are with us. So looks like it will be clear. Only over here we might get some trouble, but I'll show that in a video. You see the white horses being formed, so deep swells coming from that side, and yeah, you can see the sea also becoming a bit turbulent. Have a look at those rain showers just in front of us. What a sight. Guys, it's a great day. It's a beautiful day. We are going to reach Mauritius tomorrow. That's why the conditions have become so smooth, so beautiful. A lot of low clouds, cumulus clouds, like the cauliflower shape. And on that note, a lot of you had this question like, what is the best way to join Merchant Navy? For that I have created a book, but just in case, for direct answer, join Mochi Navy by having a sponsorship from the company. So you can do a diploma in nautical science for those who want to become navigators and be on the bridge, and those who want to be engineers can do BTech in marine engineering from the best colleges like Tolani and which is TS Rahman. So yeah, you can check all of that in my book. I have mentioned everything. So yeah, that is for the Indian audience. Currently we are passing the Reunion Islands. I have never seen them so close. It is right over there. What a beautiful sight. Let me zoom in. Beautiful island in the middle of nowhere to the Reunion Island and Mauritius, and it is right, you know, in the middle of the Indian, not in the middle, but you would say somewhere in the middle. And what a landscape it was. This is Madagascar. We'll be heading there soon, but man, how beautiful nature is. Out of nowhere there is a island which has got settlement, and I think many of my subscribers are also from there. So you stay in a beautiful place. Ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully crossed the Indian Ocean and we have got stuck in a storm kind of an area in South Africa. I'll close this video for now because the next video, which is starting now, is going to be crazy because yeah, we are not able to even stand, and the wind speeds have increased more than 40 knots. See you all next week.